Hello everybody. I've been having some serious problems with bears taking off with my cameras. Had one stolen out here as it's closer to the edge of the property. Trespassers come and take them. I decided to upgrade. I went with the SpyPoint Flex M. We're gonna see how it does. I got a 2-pack on Amazon. I'll put the link below. It comes with free 100 photos a month, or I think 1/3 of that for video, which I'm doing video. So I'll get about 33 videos out of it this month for free, and then I got to pay for it after. I'm going to try it out. I'm going to see how it does. This is a pretty tight shot here. I've got another one at another spot that is much more open. We'll compare the two, see how it does in the tight stuff like this. Another thing I wanted to hit on, since we're at the topic of thievery, is a lock. I used to just run a cable around it and then put a padlock on it. And for the most part, that's probably pretty good. This is kind of a semi-rural suburban area around here. So there's occasionally people trespassing on this property. So they cut off my other lock. They must have found it, came back with some bolt cutters, chopped it off. I came across this little master lock here. It's really nice. And you just slide it in like that. So there's no locks to cut off. They'd have to come out with a high-speed Dremel and zip it off. But I've put this bad boy on, and hopefully it will protect my investment in my new SpyPoint Flex M. Come around. I should probably turn it on before I lock it up. Flip that on. Come through just like that. Bring it through a little more. And then there's an arrow on it. Turn the key. Turn the key the right way. Okay, there we go. And that's it. She's locked up. And I should be getting some notices pretty soon saying that it's online. And I'll check my phone later. Well, I'm pulling a card out of this one. It's been out for about 3 weeks. My other one is down the trail that way, about, I don't know, 100 yards away. I've gotten a ton of videos from this. So many that I used up my allotment of 250. It was easy to go over the 100. So I had to log online, pay for a subscription. I got 250, and that's 250 per camera. I hit that in 2 days here. So a little bit of a learning curve, but it's a good camera. I'm really happy with some of the photos that are coming out of it, or in the videos. I'll show you those here in just a second. One thing that I messed up on, it's right underneath here, right there. That's where the card goes in. It's a micro SD, and where the battery slot is, I accidentally pushed it in there. It fell, and it went somewhere down there, never to be seen again. So, note to self, pay closer attention when changing out your SD cards. Here's a prime example of 2 nice bucks that are in full velvet. I've been getting some great shots of them. I just got stills right now. Here's the mama bear and 2 cubs. The other cub should come in here in a second and start scrapping with his brother or sister.
Yeah, I got a lot of those photos. This is the app, and you can see I've got two cameras set up. You can check the status, settings, do everything remotely. And then this is the pictures and how they look in the app so you can review them as they come in.
Well, we got to see some pretty good footage, good video, good stills. Um, the Flex M, it's a pretty good cellular camera, for the price. I think I spent 130 bucks for two of them. It comes with 2-year warranty, I believe. 100 uh, pictures, 33 videos will be sent to you each month on a 30-day cycle. Uh, if you're going to be putting this out somewhere way out in the wilderness where there's not a lot of activity, great for you, as long as you got cell coverage. I don't know what carrier it takes, but right here, I'm picking up 4 to 5 bars. I'm in kind of a semi-rural suburban area, um, not far from town. I've got a lot of activity in here, as you can see on some of the videos. The Flex M, very happy with it for the price. Very happy. Although I did hit that 100 mark in like 2 days. So I bumped up to 250. I'm probably going to end up having to go unlimited. And right now, I think they still have the Father's Day sale going on. They'll probably have more sales going on where you can get discounts on everything. Check it out. I'll put the links to down below. Make sure you pick up a micro SD card. I picked up 4, 2 for each camera, so I can just swap them out. I track everything on my phone. Super easy. I don't have to worry about my cameras anymore. Until next time, get outdoors.